Hello friends, welcome again to another video on this channel. My name is Bruno Neves, and in today's video we're going to talk about states and events. So let's go, let's jump into it. We have here already our application up and running. It's the same project as always. We have here our files. Let's check our project. Here we have on the source page index.js, we have app.js, and here we have our components declared here, and we have inside our components folder this paragraph.js file. And first, let's talk about events. Events, it's something that we use for doing user interactions on the UI, on our template, on our page. We use those events to trigger state changes, to trigger functions to be executed on our system. For doing it, we will use native DOM events for calling a function that will execute something on our application, and I will show you right here on our code. I will do here, for example, a div, and we will put this paragraph here, and we will create here a button, and inside this button let's put, like, for example, click. Let's see here. Now we'll see that every component that we created here, we have a button, and here inside this tag we will create a event trigger. So here we can declare on click and put the name of the function. So let's say print, for example, and here we will create a const print arrow function, and all this function do is a console.log of a value. So let's put here console.log and clicked. So let's now test this. I will save here, and when we click this button, you see here on console.log that shows clicked, because here we are calling this function, and this function, it's console.log this value right here. Okay, let's now talk about state. In order to change informations on the screen, we must use state, because let's try something here. Let's say that we have a variable called text2, and this will receive our prop information that we are receiving here on this prop. And let's show down here our text2. Here you will see that the information that's being shown here. So we are receiving as a prop the text, and we are setting to text2, and we are showing here text2, that it's the same information that we are receiving on the prop. So we can say here that when we click on print, we will change this text2 value to, for example, test. Let's see how this will work. So when we click here, as you can see, the function was called, and console.log was printed here, but the text have not been changed, and it happens because React doesn't work like this. You know, you cannot setting values on the DOM like this. You must use states, React state. And in order to use states on our code, we must import a function from React called useState. So for doing it, we must do here import useState from React. Good. Now right here we need to do this const receives use state, and we will put here text, and inside here we must declare text2 and a function that can be set text2. Now we don't need this anymore, and here instead of setting our value like this, we must use this function, so we will do this. Now let's come back to our page here, and as you can see, when we click this, the text here it's changed because we are now using use state. We are using state for changing our value on the page. So that's it. That's what I want to bring to you guys today. This is really quick and also really important to us change values on our page. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it was useful for you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you and bye.